Welcome to the Quintus Workshop. I'm so excited to take you on a tour of our new workshop today. This is the second chapter of our LA Maker story. Chapter 1 was when I started the brand almost 6 years ago. We outsourced 100% of our production. It was a wonderful way for us to start as we met so many incredible makers around LA and in the Rocky Mountain states. We couldn't have grown like we did without them, and I'm eternally grateful for their partnership. But for all the strengths of working with these makers, there were also challenges with logistics, control over production, lead times, and consistency. So over the last year, we started looking for options as to how we could bring all of our production in-house. Earlier this year, we were presented with an amazing opportunity to repurpose an existing furniture workshop. The previous company went out of business after 30 years, and we were able to move into a fully functioning 16,000 square foot furniture workshop. The cabinet shop, finishing room, upholstery shop were all set up and ready for production. It is almost like it was meant to be. We've had to put an enormous amount of work into cleaning it all up and organizing it to our standards, and it's still a work in process. And the best part is that some of the makers who grew with us the last few years have moved into our new facility and are now part of our team. So now we will have design and engineering, cabinet making, finishing, and upholstery all under one roof. This will dramatically improve our efficiency and effectiveness as an organization. Our team can now collaborate much more closely and offer better service to all of our clients. So, what's next? The third chapter of our LA Maker story is what excites me the most. I'm a firm believer and practitioner of lean manufacturing. Now that we have our home, it is time to make it the most orderly and efficient home possible. Our goal from day one when I bought Quintus was to be the easiest company for designers to work with. Creating a lean operation and lean culture at Quintus will enable us to have industry-best lead times and offer world-renowned customer experience. We're not there yet, but we have our eye on the prize. For more information or for a virtual tour of our beautiful new facility, please visit us at quintushome.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our showroom.